Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Gracie Designs, and this is Mornings with Gracie. I've already posted a video on how to thread the SQ9285 brother machine, and in this video I'm going to show you how to wind the bobbins. Winding the bobbin on this machine is quick and easy, so let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to wind a bobbin for the Brother SQ9285 sewing machine. Place the bobbin onto the bobbin winder shaft. Next, take the thread and pass it under the thread guide. Pass the thread under the thread guide cover and pull it to the right. Take the thread on the right side of the hook in between the hook and the pre-tension disc. Now wrap the thread around the bobbin clockwise. Place the thread in the slit on the bobbin winder seat. Trim the excess thread. Push the bobbin to the right to lock it in place. You are now ready to wind your bobbin. When the bobbin is complete, slide the lever to the left to unlock it. We are now going to place the bobbin in the bobbin holder. To know the correct way to load the bobbin into the threader, the thread should be on the left side, coming over the top, looking like the letter P. Remove the bobbin cover and place the bobbin into the bobbin holder. Bring the thread underneath the slit all the way around to where it cuts the thread. Replace the cover and you're ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share Gracie Designs, and join me next time on Mornings with Gracie.